Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I am Aradia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. So I'm making this video, a little candle magic, to share with you for a little home protection, creating a shield around your home and your loved ones. And this can be done for generally anything that you want to put a shield around and protect. It all depends on what is going to go on here and what your incantation would be about. Your intentions, essentially. So what I have here are 4 black candles. Now, doesn't I didn't have, I would have used like a smaller taper candle, but these are what I had. So they actually worked better because for each of the 4 candles, I put the element for that direction. I carved the symbol for that element and wrote the word for that element for that direction on each of these candles. So I have here the element of air, the element of fire, the element of water, and the element of earth. These are the things that I'm going to call in to build a shield wall around the things that I want to protect. When I was looking for something to place this magic on, what I did was I pulled out my because I needed a square, and most of the things that I have when I do what I do my magic on is kind of in a oval shaped or circle shaped. So I needed a square, and what happened was I was led to use my black mirror. And why this works perfectly is because I took a foil and I used the foil as a barrier to protect my mirror, but essentially what I was doing, as the spirit led me, was I took the shinier side of the foil and faced it down so that it is kind of mirroring or sending back any unwanted energies through like this black mirror portal. So that was just like a happy coincidence because this is, I needed this surface. So I thought that worked well. If you're wondering why I have it on here in this foil. So that's pretty much like a return to sender type of theory where I have the shiny side that is more like the mirror side of the foil facing back into the abyss. So what else you'll need is the thing that you want to protect, and that is going in the center. And I have it here, which is, you can write down just your intentions, your words. You could put sigils. What I have chosen to do is use to go along with the theme of calling in the elements to create that shield wall is I use the pentagram. So I use this pentagram, and for the purposes of this video, I put home and family, and on the back I have specific names. So you can place in the center of this pentagram what it is that you want to protect if this is what you'll use for this magic. So you want to place that in the center, face up. You can place it however you choose, however you're led to do it, but I'm just laying it down face up. Again, for the purposes of this video, because I have information back. But, so, the next thing you would do is you're going to call in the elements, and you're going to call in their energies to protect each corner of your world so that all the bases are covered. And what I'm going to be using, I'm going to be putting a few drops of my protection oil on this paper here, on this pentagram, and also a couple of drops on the candle. And I have here some mugwort because I'm going to use this as a way to call in the energy of being able to psychically see and feel any unwanted energies that are directed at me, opening up my third eye and my third eye senses to be able to sense the unwanted energies and where they are being directed from. So this is why I'm going to be using mugwort. So let's begin. I'm going to light a little dragon's blood sage just to begin clearing the space. Putting 3 drops. I like to use 3s or 7s, and it depends on the magic, but I like to, numerology is a big part of magic, and can help aid in manifesting what it is your intentions are being set for. So what I'm going to do is place a little oil on the top and then rub them in. So you want to take this moment to visually see a brick wall, a shield of light surrounding your home and surrounding your loved ones. Feel what that is like when you want to protect. Feel that energy going into this shield raising, this brick wall raising around your home. You see this energy vibrating around your home that is impenetrable, and anything unwanted cannot get through. So you want to think about all of these things. So I'm going to start with east and go around as if I was casting a circle. So I will start with east and say these words. I call to east. Bring the winds to blow away what does not belong. The shield is up. I call to the south. Burn away what means us harm. The shield is up. I call to the west. Wash away impurities that try to enter. The shield is up. I call to the north. Anchor this shield within your embrace. The shield is up. The shield is up. The magic is cast. With these forces, thou shalt not pass. So, when this is all done, you could just let this burn down in a safe place. You want to watch this, and as you're watching it, continue to think about that shield wall. And what I did was I went ahead and added the mugwort and placed it on top of the paper. And as I did that, I continued to speak those intentions and prayers of shielding, a shield wall around the things that I want to protect. And once that burns down, you can take that piece of paper, leave it on your altar, or like when you leave it on your altar, fold it up to keep the mugwort within, or whatever you're going to use within, and leave that on your altar. Or you can place it inside a charm bag and carry it with you, however you choose to use it, but it will carry with it the essence of shielding your home and whatever it is that you decide to want to protect. So if you have any questions, let me know. I love you all, and until the next video, into the shadows. And remember, thou shalt not pass.